Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stopped by because you love seeing what people get in the Macy's beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, for anyone who's new, welcome. While you're here, feel free to like the video and subscribe. This here is a $15 beauty box from Macy's, the department store, that comes monthly, and you get 5+ travel size, sample size, sometimes deluxe samples, and on a rare occasion, a full-size item. I like to get this box because A, it's only $15, and B, it's fun trying higher-end, bougier products. One box a few months ago, the entire box was Laura Mercier. All right, enough rambling. Let me dig into this box. It's noisy, so I will spare you that. And I'll come back and start unboxing. All right, I just butchered the box. Ooh, talk about full-size item. Now, it's not makeup, but the first thing is a cup of some sort, a tumbler. What is this? It's a color changing cup. Ooh, watch, cup color changes instantly with cold beverage. It even comes with a straw and a lid. All right. We also get a little booklet. Spoiler alert. It will have the items plus the prices. And this month we get a $5 off Macy's coupon. Here is the bundle of goodies in the beautiful hot pink tissue paper. I see something in bubble wrap, and it looks to be full size. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but the size is large. The reason I'm so happy about bubble wrap is 9 out of 10 times that indicates makeup. Oh, yes. All right, so this here is from Laura Geller, and it is the Diamond Dust Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. All right, it just so happens I forgot to put on highlighter. Yay me. Boo me. It's broken. This just came out. Well, it could be worse. It could be crumbled and dusty like poor Heather. Heather, you have the worst luck getting stuff all crushed. This just popped out. I guess I could glue it back in. And now I got highlighter all over my fingers. All right, let me grab a brush and let's put some on my face. All right, let's do a swatch first. That's what she looks like. Whoa. On my finger it looked really white. On my hand here on camera it's looking white. It's like duochrome. In person it looks pink. Let me see if I, there. Can you see it's pink and then kind of white? Okay. Let's get some on my face. That's lovely. It's interesting. It looks very white. Let me see if we'll pick up. And then yeah, it's white, but it's pink. Duochrome. Trust me, it is. There's it looking pink. All right. It's rare to get a full-size product in a Macy's box. I'm super curious how much that Illuminator retails for. This retails for $26. All right, next item. All right, whatever this is, it's leaking because my hands are feeling gooey, sticky, slimy. This here is from Peter Thomas Roth, which is a bougie brand, and this is the Water Drench Broad Spectrum SPF 45. Ooh, hyaluronic cloud, and this around the edges is feeling funky. Smells slightly of sunscreen. It's a very light cream. Looks like it may have a white cast. I don't know. No, it's sunk into the skin, but I cannot speak for those who are darker than my pasty paleness. Okay, next item. What is this? I saw the word watermelon. This here is Dew All Over Serum from Tony Moly. Ooh, I love products from Tony Moly. Tony Moly is, I believe, Korean, and the skincare brands in Korea are fantastic. It was safety sealed. I just tore it off because I really wanted to smell it. Oh yes, it smells slightly of watermelon. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know if it'll even pick up on camera. It's right there. It's very gel-like. Yes, okay. Next item, we have a lip product. This here is from Sunbeam, and it's, ooh, is that SPF 30? Usually lip balms only are SPF 15. Let me get my little friend just to make sure I'm not making up stuff. So this is a mineral sunscreen lip balm. Yep, broad spectrum SPF 30 with zinc oxide, and it's fragrance free. No, usually you don't want fragrance, but I love my lip balms to smell like coconut or something. Oh, it's taped up and it doesn't have a scent. I don't know why I was trying to open it up. I have enough lip balms, but I'm happy to have this one, especially with such a high level of SPF. All right, on to the next item. And spoiler alert, in the Macy's bag, you typically will get some perfume samples. We have a lot of perfume samples this month. So the first one here is from Versace, and this is Eros. It's in plastic wrap. I don't know if this is for men or women. I'm going to leave it in the plastic wrap, and then during editing, I'll try to find the notes. The next one is also from Versace, which this looks pink. I don't know why I'm so old school. I think blue equals cologne for men and pink for women. 9 out of 10 times that's the case, but not always. This here is Bright Crystal. Let me leave that in the packaging as well. And then we'll go on to the last product, and then I'll decide which of the perfumes I want to try. So the last item is this one here from Skylar, and it has 2 perfumes inside. One is called Coconut Cove, sold. I love coconut. And the other is Vanilla Sky. So we have 4 scents. That's a lot in one box, which is lovely. Even though they're small, like 1 or 2 ml. These will last at least, depends on how much you use. For me, about 20 spritzes, which is pretty nice. Decisions. Let me see if I can, without spraying, get a sense of these. Not really. All I smell is cardboard scented with mix of perfume plus all the stuff that I put on my hands. All right. I know you're screaming, do the vanilla. I like the coconut. All right. Here we go. Doesn't smell like coconut. It smells like, I'm going to butcher this, some of those kind of more natural, earthier perfumes, like the ones that claim they smell like the beach. And I don't even want to speculate what that note is, if it's the top note, the whatever, the middle note, the bottom note. Those aren't even the terms, but I'm wishing I got one for the vanilla. This is reminding me of something that's like grass, earthy, beachy. It's not my vibe, if you know what I mean. Let me know if you like scents like that. If so, if you don't mind something that's been spritzed once, I will set that aside. I want to spritz the other one, but it's just going to muddle with the first scent. Sorry, when I saw coconut, I expected it to smell like coconut. But that's just me. All right, let's recap everything that came in the July box. Got a sample of the Water Drench SPF 45 from Peter Thomas Roth. A sample of a watermelon serum from Tony Moly. A mineral sunscreen lip balm from Sunbeam. The Versace Bright Crystal Eau de Toilette sample. The Versace Eros perfume sample. a duo of perfume samples from Skylar Beauty, and the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator from Laura Geller. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, for $15, not too shabby. This full-size item is $26, so the box is paid for. I love products from Tony Moly, so I'm excited to give this one a try. This Peter Thomas Roth is, I'm certain, going to be super bougie, the full-size item, but hey, I love getting sunscreen in boxes. Who can't use a lip balm? And then bonus, it's a 30 SPF, so yay. And look at all the perfume samples, so I can start to learn how to identify scents. I'm the worst. Apologies. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total value. I'm certain this box is going to be a good one. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think this box was worth $15? Or would I be better off taking that $15 and subscribing to the Ipsy bag? I've never done the small bag. Maybe it's time, or maybe I should just cancel the Macy's box, as I have so many products. I don't really need any smaller ones, but it's fun and it's content for me to unbox on my channel. But let me know your thoughts. Do you enjoy watching these unboxings, or are you just here to support me? And speaking of supporting me, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.